Stay safe, happy learning. Say no to theft of electricity for the first time every time. My name is Amarnath. I am a retired chief engineer of a public utility company and I am also a certified energy auditor. In this video, we shall discuss destructive and non-destructive test of the transformer. Large number of transformers of a particular specifications are, when manufactured, are subjected to several tests as provided in Indian Standard 1180 and 2026. They can be categorized as type test, routine test, acceptance test, pre-dispatch inspection test, destructive test, and non-destructive tests. Non-destructive tests are magnetic balance test, insulation resistance test or HV test. This is to ensure the quality of insulation of the windings and oil. Then there is DVDF or double voltage double frequency test. This test is done to ensure the quality of interturns of the winding. That is the insulation between successive turns of the winding. Then there is voltage ratio test, partial discharge test, turns ratio test, test for vector group, open circuit test, short circuit test, heat run test. Heat run test is actually a type test that is done to ensure the capacity of the output capacity of the transformer. Then test for DC resistance of the winding. These all are basically non-destructive tests. The destructive test of transformers is a method that subjects transformer to the conditions that could cause damage in order to identify its failure point. In this test, transformer is put under stress that eventually deforms it axially or radially or both to observe transformer's limits and failure point. This test is important to ensure transformers safety and performance for a given design and specification of transformer. That's all in this video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and don't hesitate to ask any question if you have any doubt. Thank you very much.